Small minimalist houses embody a blend of simplicity and functionality, designed to maximize space while minimizing clutter. These homes typically feature clean lines, open floor plans, and a limited color palette to create a sense of calm and order. The essence of minimalist design is reflected in the choice of furnishings and decor, which prioritize quality over quantity. Every piece is thoughtfully selected to serve a purpose and to enhance the space without overwhelming it. Large windows and smart storage solutions often play a key role in making these homes feel more expansive than their square footage might suggest. Facades of small minimalist houses are characterized by their understated elegance and clean geometric form. These exteriors often embrace a monochromatic color scheme, typically featuring neutral tones such as whites, grays, or earthy hues, which enhance their simplicity and create a sense of harmony with their surroundings. The design usually emphasizes straight lines and unembellished surfaces, with a focus on sleek, modern materials, concrete, wood, or metal. Large, unobstructed windows are common, allowing natural light to flood the interior, while offering unobtrusive views of the outside. The windows are often framed with minimalistic trim or integrated seamlessly into the facade to maintain a smooth, cohesive look. Furniture in living rooms are carefully selected for its functionality and clean lines. Pieces are often low profile and modular, allowing for flexible use of space. A streamlined sofa or sleek, minimalist armchairs might be paired with a simple coffee table, often with hidden storage options to maintain a clutter-free look. Decor is kept to a minimum, with a focus on a few carefully chosen items that add character without creating visual clutter. Decorative elements might include a single piece of artwork, a few potted plants, or a minimalist rug that complements the overall color scheme. Bedrooms. The color palette is typically subdued, featuring soft neutrals such as whites, beiges, or gentle grays, which contribute to a restful atmosphere. This understated palette helps to make the space feel larger and more open. Bedding and textiles are kept simple yet comfortable, with an emphasis on high-quality materials. Crisp linens and a few carefully selected decorative pillows or throws add texture without overwhelming the space. Fixtures and finishes in the bathroom are chosen for their sleek, modern aesthetic. Floating vanities with minimal hardware provide both storage and a streamlined look. Countertops are often made from materials like quartz or marble, which are durable and easy to maintain. Under-sink storage is usually built in, helping to keep the area tidy and clutter-free. The shower or bathtub is often designed with simple, clean lines, Frameless glass enclosures or tiled walk-in showers contribute to the room's openness, while built-in shelves or niches offer convenient storage for toiletries without adding bulk. For bathtubs, freestanding or integrated design is often preferred to maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Outdoor spaces are thoughtfully designed to extend the home's clean, functional aesthetic into the surrounding environment. These areas are characterized by their simplicity, efficient use of space, complements the home's interior design. The design often features a minimalist approach to landscaping, with a preference for low-maintenance, sculptural plants and well-defined garden beds. Hardscaping elements, such as patios, decks, or walkways, are typically made from materials like concrete, wood, or stone, chosen for their durability and understated elegance. These surfaces are often left in their natural state or finished with subtle, monochromatic colors to maintain a cohesive look.